Before the fish, we have to make the Escovitch pickle because this right here, this is what brings everything to life. Now, to get started, I have 3 carrots, 4 onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 chocho. Now, before I start cutting up everything, I'm going to put my vinegar just to warm up on the stove. So I'm doing 2 of those big bottles. So I use 1 of the bottles with vinegar. I added some pimento, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we're going to prepare all the vegetables, the onions and everything. We want that crunch, we want the color and that balance. I also added a red sweet bell pepper. I like to have this for color, and the one, especially the one that I'm not going to put hot pepper in because I'm doing 2 bottles. One will be hot and one is virgin, no pepper, because this is a Jamaican Canadian household over here. Peel everything, wash everything good, and once the vinegar heat up like that, stir it up to make the sugar and everything absorb, then you turn off the stove. Now I'm gonna try get fancy with my chocho by cutting it up like some shark teeth, as my son would say, Mom, why did you cut it like that? This is how my granny and my mother used to do it back then, growing up in Jamaica. Some just follow. Some people use different knives, to give it a little fancy look, but this take time. Trust me, this needs time and it needs patience. I like to cut my carrots like this and cut it like in strips. Some people cut it round with also the little, decorated look, but this also takes time and patience. What else do you add to your Escovitch pickle? By the way, you start making Escovitch pickle yet? Because listen, Easter Friday is around the corner. And listen, this is a way to cut up your scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't want to touch it with your hand, use a fork, stick it with the fork at the end and slice it up. And of course, I put on my gloves because I don't want a pepper burn me up. Now, I try get fancy, putting the chocha them at the outside to when everything full up, then the chocha you can see it. Get a little prettiness and the decoration. Now, I'll be working on the second bottle, and this one is a hot one. This one have the scotch bonnet pepper into it. Now, this one is spicy. The smell alone will tell you that you are doing something right when everything come together. Now, I'm going to put the vinegar in, and you see we have the pimento and everything, and pour it in, cover him up, give him a little shake, and this isn't just topping, this is flavor, sweet, tangy, spicy, all in one. And once this is ready, just wait till it hits the fish.